If there was only one financial rule that you could know or that you had to know in e-commerce, it would be this, my 50-30-20 rule. So the 50-30-20 rule is this. It's a target to get you to a 20% net profit in your e-commerce business, right? And that's where every e-commerce business needs to be at least. So you take your gross profit, in this case 50, you subtract your operating expenses, which is 30, which leaves you with 20 net profit. So the rule for net profit is only this: gross profit minus operating expenses. That's it. So if you can get a gross profit, which is essentially how much you sell this t-shirt for minus how much you pay your supplier to land it, that's your gross profit after you include freight to your customer, DHL, Australia Post, NZ Post, all of that. That's your gross profit. So you want to be left with 50% minimum. You want to run your e-commerce business on as close to 30% as you possibly can. So if I make 100,000 a month, 30% of that is 30 grand. That's my budget to run my business. Ads, wages, everything. 50 minus 30 leaves you with 20% net profit. Now, let's say you have a gross profit of 60%. If you go 60 gross profit minus 30 operating expenses, that'll leave you with a 30% net profit. That's the numbers. That's all you need to do. Gross profit less operating expenses equals your net profit target. So go ahead and run those numbers in your business and see if it lands up with the net profit that you really need to make it big in your e-com business.